Expanding on our industry-leading Super C, we've elevated expectations yet again. We've added additional floor plans, more options, and more amenities to our instant customer favorite. It's our privilege to take you on this tour of the 2021 Supreme Aire Super C Motor Coach. Supreme Aire gives you a long list of features that help you live an active, adventurous RV lifestyle without sacrificing an ounce of style or comfort. And with 2 new 40-foot models added to the 2021 lineup, you now have 5 distinctive floor plans to choose from. We'll begin our tour in the Supreme Aire cockpit. Right away, you'll notice the large sky window, which allows natural light to fill the coach. It's equipped with a power shade, which can be lowered when needed. Supreme Aire also offers a full air ride cab for an incredibly smooth ride. And our Super C motor coaches are the only ones in the industry with this innovative feature. The Air Ride Captain's chairs feature pneumatic lumbar support for extra comfort. And on the driver's side, you'll find a USB outlet, perfect for charging your devices. The standard Excite Tri-View rear view camera offers excellent visibility, so you can drive confidently and park with ease. A tire pressure monitoring system also comes standard for peace of mind. Enjoy your favorite music with the Excite Dash radio and JBL Slimline subwoofer. And thanks to the standard Rand McNally navigation system, your travels are guided with turn-by-turn directions displayed on a 7-inch monitor, which, along with the radio, is larger in 2021. Next, we'll step into the Supreme Aire living room, where you'll find a step cover that creates a flush floor in the entire space. Another exclusive Newmar feature that you'll only find in our Super C RVs. On today's tour, we're viewing floor plan 4051 with our Barnsley Decor package. The 2021 Supreme Aire is outfitted with comfortable yet durable villa furniture, available in a variety of configurations to suit your lifestyle and preferences. In this particular coach, we see a 74-inch hide-a-bed sofa opposite a dinette with chairs, perfect for enjoying any meal or quick bite. 40-foot Supreme Aires are equipped with 2 Penguin heat pump central air conditioners, while 45-foot models come standard with 3. Each has remote control thermostats, ensuring a comfortable temperature. Finishes like tile flooring, hardwood windowsills, and a designer feature ceiling add further sophistication to the space. And electric radiant heat beneath the main tile floor makes cooler days feel extra cozy. A retractable Samsung 4K LED TV and a Sony Blu-ray player are the perfect companions for movie nights or relaxing afternoons. For a first-rate audio experience, a Bluetooth-compatible Bose 700 SoundTouch soundbar also comes standard. And in-coach Wi-Fi allows you to stream movies and TV shows from just about anywhere. Now we'll take a look at the 2021 Supreme Aire kitchen. On this tour, we see our available Bermuda glazed maple cabinetry with a stunning high-gloss finish. For a residential feel, all cabinets feature soft-close side hinge doors, along with self-closing drawers. The undermount stainless steel sink is surrounded by super polished, solid surface countertops, and a matching sink cover provides extra prep space as you're preparing meals. An available kitchen window, seen here, makes the space feel even brighter. In this particular Supreme Aire, the appliance package includes a stainless steel convection microwave, a recessed induction cooktop with a cover, a Whirlpool refrigerator, and an optional dishwasher in a drawer. Next to the refrigerator is a spacious pantry for additional storage. Just past the kitchen is a nicely appointed half bath, ideal for hosting visitors. It's outfitted with many of the same elegant finishes you'll find in the master bathroom. Moving into the 2021 Supreme Aire Master Suite, we find a well-appointed space that's designed to help you rest and recharge. On the king-size bed, a plush pillow top mattress comes standard, or you may upgrade to a Sleep Number mattress. To ensure your devices are ready to go, each nightstand is equipped with a USB charging port, and at the head of the bed, you'll find adjustable reading lights for extra convenience. Across from the foot of the bed is a large dresser with 2 hanging wardrobes. You'll also find a Samsung LED TV with a Blu-ray player, allowing you to enjoy your favorite entertainment. The master bathroom in floor plan 4051 features an undermount square sink set off by a stunning tile backsplash. The 36-inch shower offers an Aqua Miser shower system, tiled walls, a fold-down seat, and a glass door. A laundry station with a 2-piece Splendide washer and dryer comes standard, so laundry day is more convenient than ever before. The 2021 Supreme Aire is available in 5 floor plans that are 40 or 45 feet in length. This particular floor plan, 4051, measures 41 feet and 2 inches in length and features 3 power slide-outs, including a full wall slide. In fact, Newmar was the first to offer a full wall slide in the segment. Each Supreme Aire is built on a Freightliner M2 chassis, while a Detroit diesel engine produces 505 horsepower and 1,850 pound-feet of torque. Our exclusive full-paint masterpiece finish, seen here in Barnsley, adorns the outside of each Supreme Aire and is made possible by BASF and Industrial Finishes. The 2021 Supreme Aire exterior is just as thoughtfully designed as its interior. With chrome power baggage door locks, convex mirrors with defrost and remote control, and a keyless entry door. Frameless double-pane windows come standard, and 4 optional solar panels may be installed on the roof for off-the-grid power. The Supreme Aire features silver-leaf monitoring for convenience and control. It centralizes oversight of the AC/DC, generator, water tanks, climate, and floor heat, and also offers diagnostics. You'll love relaxing beneath the Girard awning package, which offers 2 Nova side awnings, slide-out covers, and power window awnings. Newmar offers more storage space than any other Super C model on the market. This is thanks to a feature completely unique to our models: pass-through storage with equal access from both sides. Also available is an optional large storage tray, shown here, and a 30K rear tow hitch comes standard. If you love hosting friends and family, the optional outdoor entertainment center seen here is the perfect addition to your Supreme Aire. It offers both a Samsung 4K LED TV and a soundbar. Your coach's power is supplied by a standard 12.5 kilowatt Cummins diesel generator. The Supreme Aire, in all of its lengths and models, continues to lead the pack and the industry in the Super C class. On behalf of everyone here at Newmar Corporation, we want to thank you for joining us on this tour of the 2021 Supreme Aire. For more information, visit your nearest